Hello students, in this class we continue the chapter pair of linear equation in two variables, exercise 3.7, last problem, that is the 8th problem. Here in this problem, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is a cyclic quadrilateral, and find the angles of cyclic quadrilaterals. So here we have to find, this is a cyclic quadrilateral, the quadrilateral inside the circle. So here ABCD is a quadrilateral and we have to find out the angles of the cyclic quadrilateral. So we'll start the problem. First step is, there are four equations given here. So as we know, first step is solution. So the sum of the opposite angle, sum of the two opposite angles in cyclic quadrilaterals will be equal to 180, is 180 degrees. So what are the opposite angles? Here A and C are the opposite angles and B and D are the opposite angles. Now we start with angle B plus angle, this one, angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. And these are the one set of the opposite angles. Next is angle C plus angle A. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So now first step we have to take, that is angle, what is angle A? We'll start from this one. So angle A is 4y, we'll substitute here, 4y plus how much? 20, 4y plus 20 minus, one more is there, A plus C is minus 4x is equal to 180. So next is this, keep it as equation 1. Next is we have to just simplify this. So what happens? 4x, this one common, then we get minus 4x plus 4y is equal to, that is 20 minus 80 is equal to, so 160 will get. Keep this as equation 1. So after this, next step is take the next equation, the next opposite angles, that is angle B plus angle D. So now we have, that is, take the other equations. For B they have given 3y minus 5 minus this one D, opposite angle is D, minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 180 degree. Now we have to simplify this. So 3y minus 5 minus 7x plus 5. So this one minus 5 plus 5 cancels. Now we get minus 7x plus 3y is equal to 180 degree. This will be our, okay, this will be for the second equation, this is the first equation. So now what happens? We divide this equation, divide equation 2, this equation by 4. What we get? So we can write here, that is, simplify and write. This becomes x plus y is equal to 4 divided by how much? That is 4 divided by 160 will become 40 degree. Now this is the second equation. So next step is multiply equation 2 by 7. Equation 2 by 7. So what we get? This one. So multiply and get, that is 7x plus 4y 7x plus 7y is equal to 7 into 140 will become 280 degrees. Now after the multiplication, equation 2 becomes this one. So this one is the final equation 2 and this one is the equation 1. Now next step is subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. So we'll see what is equation 2. That is, equation 2 is minus 7x. This one we have minus here. This one minus 7x plus 3y is equal to 180. Next, we have this one as 7x plus 3y so 7x plus 7y is equal to, I have done a mistake here, so minus 7x plus this also minus is there, I was left out, both the equations are minus. So minus 7x plus 7y is equal to 280. This equation, see minus is there. So next is, take the first equation, minus 7x plus 3y is equal to 180. So now when minus means we have to change the sign. So what happens, this becomes plus, again here minus minus. So this cancels. Then this one 7 minus 3 will become 4y is equal to, that is, this one 280 minus 180 will become 100 degree. Therefore y is equal to 4 ones are 425. So we got how much? Y is equal to 25. Next step is substitute y is equal to 25 in equation 1. So in equation 1, what is equation 1 here? That is minus 7x plus 3y is equal to 180 degrees. So we'll take this minus 7x plus 3 into 25 is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore minus 7x is a plus 3 into 25 will become 75 is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore minus 7x is equal to 180 degree minus almost 75. Therefore minus x is equal to minus 180 minus 75 will become 105. 105 by 7 is equal to minus 15 we are getting. So for x we got minus 15. Finally x is equal to minus 15 and y is equal to 25. So this is the solution for this problem, 8th one, that is the cyclic quadrilateral, which ends the exercise 3.7. Now we move on to our objective types of this chapter. So here starting with this includes objective types, includes MCQs, fill up the blanks, and short type of questions. All this comes under this. So first question I have taken in MC, this objective types is, if a pair of linear equation is consistent, then the lines will be. So if the pair of lines are consistent, what will be the condition here? The four options are given. So intersecting or coincident, B parallel, and C is coincident, and D is intersecting. So here one more problem is there. So before this I'll left out the problem, that is I have to continue the problem because I have just incomplete the problem, only x and y I found out. Next what we have to do, we have to find out the angles in the each, and since the angles were given in the expression form, I'll just find out. So we'll just take angle A. What was the expression given in the, this is the continuation of the 8th problem, exercise 3.7. so angle A, sorry for this, I just made a mistake, that problem was incomplete. Now I am continuing. So 4y plus, this was the expression given for the angle A. So what happens, we have to substitute here y in this. So substitute y is equal to 25 here in this expression. Y we got 25 plus 20 is equal to how much? 4 into 25 will become 100. 100 plus 20 is equal to 120 is the answer. This is the angle A. Now what is the angle B is? What is the expression given for the angle B is 3y minus 5. Substitute for y, that is y is 25 minus 5 is equal to 3 into 25 will become 75 minus 5 is equal to how much? That is 70 degrees. Next for C, what is the equation given? That is 4x is given. So minus 4, substitute x is equal to how much? X is equal to minus 15. Here minus 15. So minus minus becomes plus, plus 15 into 4 will become 60 degrees. So this one we got. Finally angle D, the expression given is 7x plus 5. So substitute here for x, minus 7 into minus 15 plus 5. Therefore 7 into 15 will become 105, that is minus minus will become plus, plus 5 will become 110 degrees. So therefore the angles are, that is angle A is equal to 120 degrees, angle B is equal to 70 degrees, angle C is equal to 60 degrees, finally angle D equal to 110 degrees. So this is the solution, complete solution of the 8th problem. Sorry for the disturbance. Then we move on to the objective types. Here the objective types question. The first problem given is, if a pair, we have to just tell the condition here. If a pair of linear equation is consistent, then the lines will be, 4 options are given. So what is the option means, if we have these condition, that is inconsistent, consistent, then the option will be, that is A. So this one, intersecting and consistent. If the pair of lines are consistent, the option A is the correct answer. And the condition here is A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So this is the condition. For this we can write as consistent. The pair of linear equations are consistent, coincident lines. So this is the condition. So option A is the correct answer. Now we move on to the second one. The graphical representation of pair of equations are given, then the lines will be. So we have to solve this one, that is 2 equations are given. So for this we have to just take the equations. For this we have in the equation A1 is equal to 4, B1 is equal to 3, then C1 is equal to minus 6. Similarly in the second equation A2 is 12, B2 is 9 and C2 is minus 15. Because 15 comes inside means this becomes minus. So now what happens, we have to write, that is A1 by A2 is equal to, that is 4 by 12. This will become 1 by 3. Next we have B1 by B2 will be, that is so much, 3 by 9, which will be 1 by 3. Next C1 by C2 will be, that is minus 6 by minus 15, that is minus minus cancel, 2 by, that is 2 3s are 3 2s are, then 3 5s are. Finally we get A1 by A2 is equal to, this one are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. So for this condition, when these two are equal and this one is not equal, that when A1 A2 is equal to B1 B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2, the condition will be parallel lines. So option A is the correct answer. So next we move on to the third problem. So all these are objective types, MCQs, fill up the blanks, everything I'll solve in this section. So here find the value of x. So we have to just find the value of x. Therefore take this equation, both the equations. So both the equations we take, that is x and the 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. We have to just find out x plus. Take the other equation, write in the correct form, that is minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. Now here take this as equation 1 and equation 2. Now add equation 1 plus equation 2. So what happens, by adding this we get this as x, then this one as how much, that is minus will be y, then this one add these two will get, so how much, 8. Therefore x plus y is equal to 8. This is the solution. Simply they have asked to find out x plus y. This will become 8. Next question is, if the lines representing the pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and c2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are coincident, select the correct option. As we knew in the previous, only the coincident means a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 is the correct answer. So just click this one. This is coincident, intersecting, all this comes under this only. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So in this class I have completed 4 problems and we have completed the exercise 3.7. This completes the chapter, but I'll start solving the objectives, MCQs, fill up the blanks and other questions in the coming classes. Subscribe my channel, share, like all the videos. If you have any doubts, comment me. Thank you.